Giggle, it's big, no?
Full license.
So what happened was,
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm in the car. We're on the go to pick up something big. Yeah. Ta-da! Hi, Lovey Dubs.
Hi.
Yeah, I just feel like vlogging again. We are driving about 20 minutes to pick up this something big. So just keep watching. Just had our breakfast and we are now going to pick up the big thing. For sure. So are you excited, Giggle? Big surprise? Your new hobby, maybe? We'll see. We just had our breakfast in Robert Harris and I ordered naked burger. I'm not so happy because I'm now having heartburn. But that's fine. Hey, wear seatbelt. No seatbelt. Too excited.
So these are obviously LiPo batteries, and it will just automatically detect what's plugged in. The light will go blue, so it sets LiPo mode. It'll set what charge rate. Just push and hold, and it goes and it'll charge it.
It looks bigger than on the feet.
So yeah, to take the body on and off, you just hook it on, and then just clicks on. Fingers in there, and there's a little clips. And releases. Inside that box is the receiver for your radio. That bit inside that box is not waterproof. Just as a precaution, when you are cleaning it, I wouldn't just go directly spraying the hose right at that. Everything is fine.
Giggle, it's big, no?
Oh my gosh. And this is the remote control. Can I ride on it? Whoa! You can actually put here, Halsey. Do you like the color? This is Traxxas Sledge. It runs for about 100 k's an hour, which is quite fast. My scooter rides 30 k's an hour. This one is a beast. So he's gonna get the charger. Needs 2 batteries. He's been waiting for this to happen for a long time now. Are you excited?
Yeah.
This is his new toy, new hobby.
It's your toy.
Could be my toy too because I'm a child at heart, but mainly it's his toy. We're gonna do a test drive later on, Castle Arena, wherever, in an open space. The guy advised us to drive it for the first time in a very open and wide space so that you won't break it. It's quite fast. The batteries are massive and heavy. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like inside. Let's see. This is how it looks like. And you put the batteries in here. The transmitter for remote control. So you have to avoid it getting wet. The rest, you can splash it with water. It's waterproof, except for this one. You gotta be careful when you're cleaning your Traxxas. Got the suspension. That is the battery. It means that he's charging it. The battery charger. So there are 3 options: balance, fast charging, or store. Store meaning to say you're putting the batteries on storage because you cannot put the battery in the car in full, otherwise you're gonna destroy the battery itself. You cannot also leave it empty. There is a certain percentage the battery to store it if you're not gonna drive it. Oh, banana. Alright, are you ready? Go.
thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. Ain't got a chance, you can say no, free me.
I love it. It feels like I'm in grave. So I'm driver.
Oh, ACC.
Don't smash this wall up, please.
How's my driving?
Not so
Full
bad.
license.
Feeling.
That was our Traxxas Sledge. Quite a lot of fun. It's so fast. It's like a monster. I bumped it on the wall for the first time. But anyway, still okay. Still running as you can see.
The next day.
We had a bit of an accident. So what happened was, he handed me the remote controller and I accidentally pushed the accelerator. It ran towards me, hit my leg. And look at my shoes, it's so dirty. If you are planning to buy Traxxas, just be very careful when driving it in a public space. Make sure you won't hurt anybody. It's kind of dangerous. It's very fast, a bit heavy. It weighs roughly 7 kgs. I hope you enjoy watching this vlog. Oh my gosh, can you hear it? It's such a beast. Thanks guys for watching. Say goodbye to the vlog, love.
Bye bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'm gonna see you on my